Your phone might not be able to make or receive calls if there's no signal, if airplane mode is enabled, or if call barring or do not disturb is turned on. Other possible causes include a misconfigured SIM card, outdated carrier settings, or network issues after a software update. Sometimes, background apps or corrupted mobile network settings can also interfere with call functionality. If you have a problem like this, the first thing you have to do is check your signal and disable airplane mode, because your Galaxy S25 Ultra won't connect to the network if there's no coverage or if wireless radios are turned off. Swipe down twice from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel and look for the airplane mode icon. If it's enabled, tap to turn it off. Also, check the signal bars. If they're low or missing, try moving to an open area or closer to a window where the reception might be better. If that doesn't solve it, try checking your call settings, because features like call barring or do not disturb can silently block calls without you realizing it. Open the phone app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Settings. Tap on Supplementary Services or More Settings depending on your carrier. Then tap on Call Barring and make sure no options are enabled. Back out and check Do Not Disturb by opening Settings, tapping Notifications, and selecting Do Not Disturb. Make sure it's turned off. Another step you can try is to remove and reinsert your SIM card, because a loose or faulty connection can cause issues with both outgoing and incoming calls. Power off your phone and use the SIM ejector tool to remove the tray. Take out the SIM card, gently wipe it with a dry cloth, then place it back in properly and restart your Galaxy S25 Ultra. If that doesn't help, reset your mobile network settings, because this clears out network errors and restores default calling configurations without erasing your data. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Mobile Network Settings. Confirm the reset and allow your phone to restart. Once it boots back up, try placing a call to check if the issue is resolved. Lastly, check for carrier and software updates, because outdated settings or bugs may be interfering with your phone's ability to connect properly during calls. Open Settings, tap Software Update, and then tap Download and Install. If an update is available, install it. You should also open the Settings app, tap Connections, then tap Mobile Networks to see if there's a prompt to update your carrier settings. After completing these steps, your Galaxy S25 Ultra should be able to make and receive calls again. If the problem continues, it's best to contact your carrier to check for issues with your account or network service in your area. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech solutions.